Hey guys, it's Paula Nutting, your musculoskeletal specialist, and it's day 2 at Adelaide, and we've just rounded off and everyone's going home, but I thought I would steal Tracy to just get a little bit of feedback on her experience. Tracy had a total knee replacement
9 weeks ago.
9 weeks ago and has had a knee that hasn't wanted to straighten up pretty much since then. But what about before then?
No, flexion and extension were really bad a few months before the operation, so I haven't really used my leg properly for about 6 months.
So we were quite tight, obviously, and obviously also we didn't really want to do too much aggressive stuff because it is so, post-rehab. So what we ended up doing is checking the lower limb today, and we did the non-affected side to find it was actually quite a bit weaker. So we turned that side on by the neurolymphatic points, the Chapmans Reflexes. We're turning her into a supercharged therapist. And then worked a little bit on the fascia as well. So, and the same thing, we reproduced it on the surgical knee.
Yep.
Ranges, how's that feeling now?
Yeah, look, it's so much better. I was virtually walking flat-footed, and today I've got a real spring in my step, walking properly, heel to toe, and I've still got like most extension, just the tiniest bit left, but I would have got at least another 10 to 15% today.
Yeah.
So I'm really happy. I'm not walking with a limp now, so that's going to make a big difference to me.
Oh, to the opposite hip as well.
Oh, hell yeah.
And also what we found is that when you were sitting down, she had to keep that other leg a little bit extended.
Yeah, as soon as I'd sit down with my ankles together, and as soon as I sat, it was that tight that I had to put my foot forward at least a foot to about a foot.
Yeah.
And now I don't have to. I can actually sit down, keep both my feet together, and not have to put one foot forward because my leg's so tight. So it's a great feeling.
And we know that that's going to be good for the pelvis because we're keeping the ischial tuberosities even as well, so we don't have torsions and slips and things. Anyway, I won't hold you up, but if you are interested in looking after any of your clients that you might have that have had knee recons or any of those lower limb
I
issues.
was really scared. I didn't want to get on the table today. I wanted just to come in and find some stuff out, but it was great treatment to receive.
Yeah, that's good. So if you need anything, you want to have any more information, come and do one of the neurolymphatic classes. Come and become a supercharged therapist.
Thank you.
Thank you. See you guys.